welcome to a special edition of Virtual Happy Hour for Cinco de Mayo. As always, I'm Scott Condon, the okayest bartender, here at Hub and Spoke, 3001 Fairfield Avenue, located in the Black Rock area of Bridgeport. And today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a margarita. To make this, you'll need everything we have laid out here. If you've already ordered the do-it-yourself margarita kit from Hub and Spoke, you will have all these ingredients. So, let's get started, shall we? In order to start this cocktail, I'm going to prepare my glass. Now, this isn't necessary if you choose not to do this, but if you do like salt around the rim of your glass on your margarita, here's how we're going to start to prepare that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut ourselves a lime wheel. Then, we'll cut a little notch here. We'll take our lime wheel and we'll rim the glass. Make sure you get it nice and juicy along the glass there. Once you've gone around once or twice, bring the glass over your plate full of salt. There, we're just going to spin it around a few times, really coating the outside of the glass with a nice layer of salt. Once you have the salt to your optimal level, we'll put the glass down and come back to that later. Now we're going to construct our cocktail. To do that, we're going to take our shaker as well as our jigger for measuring. We're going to start with 2 ounces of tequila. Follow that up with 2 ounces of lime juice. If you chose to purchase the do-it-yourself margarita kit from Hub and you chose a flavor margarita, you're going to make a little substitution here. Instead of 2 ounces of lime juice, you'll do 1 ounce of lime juice and 1 ounce of the puree of your choice. But if you chose to do a traditional margarita, feel free to use 2 ounces of lime juice. Next, we're going to add 3/4 ounce of triple sec. And then lastly, we're going to add agave syrup. Just a squirt of agave to sweeten it up a little. If you want to measure it out, I'd recommend doing just about 1/4 ounce. Now, it's time to shake. We're going to fill our shaker with some ice. Top the shaker. Make sure you give a nice little tap on top to make sure it's nice and in there. And then we're going to shake. Once it's sufficiently shaken, we are going to pour the cocktail into our glass. Finally, we're going to take our lime wheel that we used to rim the glass earlier, and we're just going to place that right on the side for a nice garnish. And there you have it, folks. An easy way to make a margarita. Now, most people who taste my margaritas very much enjoy them. And they always ask, how is my margarita better than theirs? And I always tell everyone the same thing. Usually you're trying to put too many ingredients in your margarita. Keep your margarita simple and delicious. If you bought the do-it-yourself kit from Hub and Spoke, it makes 4 margaritas. So if you mix all the ingredients that we gave you, you'll batch out 4, and then you can just portion those how you like. Or you can follow this step-by-step video to be able to make 4 individual margaritas. Well, I hope you have a great Cinco de Mayo. Thanks for joining me here on the Virtual Happy Hour. As always, I'm Scott Condon, the okayest bartender, here at Hub and Spoke, 3001 Fairfield Avenue. And don't forget, if you need any to-go cocktails or food, please contact Hub and Spoke. Thanks so much. Have a great day.